she go. Good job. Good job. Hello everybody in the YouTubeverse. My name is Lexi Jadon and this is my very first YouTube video. Thank you so much for stopping by my page. So it took me a while to decide what exactly I wanted to do for my first video. How did I want to really put myself out there? Initially I was going to do a full tutorial or just doing my full makeup routine, but then I decided that instead of doing that, I am just going to do the swatches for the Mented cosmetic lipsticks. It is the Liquid Lipstick Collection, the Sangria collection, I think is what it's called. It is 5 shades. So for my first video, I think I'm just gonna keep it to that, and then if you guys would like to see me do my full tutorial, just let me know down in the comments below and I will film that and I will get it up as soon as possible. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to do the swatches of the lipstick today. Just kind of keep it simple, get my feet wet a little bit but not do too much, and then we'll dive on in deeper as we go. Okay, so I have bare lips right now and I'm going to start out with the lightest shade and I'm going to go to the darkest. Again, there are 5 shades and this is the Liquid Foundation, the Sangria collection, and let's get into it. I'm going to start off with the first one. It is Peachy Keen and I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. And then, I'm gonna put it on my lips. So this is Peachy Keen. It's pretty. It's like a soft peachy color, of course. Hence the name. And I'm just gonna take this. Now my top lip is already like really dark, so it's already technically like a lined lip. But I do appreciate that you don't have to wear a liner with this lipstick brand unless you just absolutely want to. And outside of today, with this color I probably will wear a liner, but the formula is very buttery. It's very like I don't know if you would call it velvety, but it feels so good. It just glides. It glides across the lips beautifully. And that's Peachy Keen. So I'm going to remove that one and then we'll go into the next shade. Forewarning, I did mistakenly take off some of my makeup above my lips, so you do see it towards the end when I'm reapplying the makeup that it kind of looks like it's going a little bit above my lips. Don't pay it too much mind. Alright, so the next shade that we're going to be trying out is called Plum On Over, and that's the tubing. It's really pretty, and to me this one looks like their Mented number 5 lipstick. It's like a semi-matte lipstick in a tube, well, in the little roll up like this. But that one reminds me of that shade. It's a really pretty purple plum color. And it really resembles my bare top lip. Like before I even mix it, my top lip is this exact same color. Or similar. So there's that one. That one is again called Plum On Over. All right, on to the next shade. Okay, so the next shade is going to be Blacker the Berry, and Blacker the Berry is really like a deep berry shade. It's got a little more red in it. It's like a burgundy, like a pretty shade, really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it. I suck at descriptions, so. And there's that one that is blacker, the berry, and it is pretty, a deep red shade. Cute. And I haven't come across a color that I don't like. I can wear all of the shades. And I appreciate it about their website because you can see what it looks like on someone close to your skin tone. And I don't feel like it's a shade that any brown girl can't wear. I love it. Alright, got that off the best that I could. Still looks kind of present to me, but we're gonna keep it pushing. The next shade that we're trying out is Blood Orange. And it's this pretty orange color. And we're gonna give it a swatch. It reminds me of the Juvia's. They have an orange shade, and I believe it's called Soil. I may be wrong, but they have an orange shade as well that looks similar to this, but I think it's a little bit brighter. I think it's been a while since I used it. But that's the shade I think of when I apply this color. And I'm just going to speed this part up just a little bit because all I'm doing again is reapplying the makeup, making sure that I have it on there to my liking. And yeah, I do see really well now where I did kind of remove too much of my makeup while taking off the lipstick. So when you're doing lip swatches, ladies, be careful. Okay, so that is what's the shade? I forgot. Blood Orange. Getting this stuff off without messing up your makeup is quite a task. I've never done swatches and I've never really changed my lip color like that before. To appreciate and respect the other ladies that do this. It's not easy. And now we're down to the last shade, which is Hot Date. It's this brown. I'm gonna do a swatch on the back of my hand. These shades are so beautiful when they dry down. You can see the pronouncement of the shades. Look at those shades. So pretty. So we're gonna give Hot Date a chance. And it was at this point, everybody in my house had lost their mind. My children just couldn't be quiet anymore. They were all in my space, thumping, jumping, talking loud, getting ice out of the dispenser, you name it. So again, I'm having to voice over this part. I'm gonna do my planning better so that hopefully everyone in the house is asleep when I record and I can talk as I want to. But yeah, just doing the same thing. We just swatching, and more swatching. Just making sure I get those lips good and saturated because they good and juicy. Look at that extra large top lip. Girl, that thing just sitting there. But yeah, again, that's the shade Hot Date. I'm just making sure that I have it on. That's the shade that I wound up wearing the rest of the day. And this lipstick, when I tell you it does not transfer once it dries, I kiss so many surfaces just to see if it will come off, and it does not transfer. And for that, I love it. There's nothing better than a product that actually stays put where I need it to be, where I placed it. that is the most important thing to me in makeup. So yeah. And that is the shade Hot Date. It's beautiful. I love it. So that was me and all 5 of the swatches for the Sangria collection of the Mented Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. I always get tongue tied with that. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you like this video, please comment, like it, and of course subscribe to help me grow this little channel and see where we can take it. Thank you for your support. If you have any comments, any suggestions, leave them down in the comment box and I will do what I can when I can. Thank you.